Earth, our home, a beautiful blue planet spinning in the vastness of space. It's a place of wonder and mystery, a unique gem in the cosmic ocean. It's the only place we know of that has life. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, Earth is teeming with diverse forms of life. Our planet orbits a star we call the Sun. This star is the heart of our solar system, providing the energy that sustains life on Earth. The Sun is a giant ball of hot gas that gives us light and warmth. Without it, our planet would be a frozen wasteland, incapable of supporting life. Our solar system isn't just Earth and the Sun, it's a vast neighborhood with a variety of celestial bodies. There are other planets too, each one unique in its own way with different compositions and atmospheres. Some are big and gassy like Jupiter. Jupiter is so massive that it could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it. Others are rocky like Mars. Mars, often called the red planet, has a surface covered in iron oxide, giving it a reddish appearance. Each planet travels in its own path around the Sun. These orbits are like cosmic highways, guiding the planets on their journeys through space. But what if I told you our solar system isn't alone? Beyond our solar system, there are countless other stars and planetary systems. What if there are other suns out there, with their own planets? These exoplanets could be home to unknown wonders, waiting to be discovered. Guess what? There are! We call these planets around other stars exoplanets. Imagine a giant beach ball. That's like a star. Now picture tiny marbles rolling around it. Those are the exoplanets. Some exoplanets are huge, like basketballs compared to our marble Earth. Others are more like little pebbles. Scientists have found thousands of exoplanets already, and they are finding more all the time. Not every planet can support life. In fact, most planets in the universe are either too hot or too cold to sustain any form of life as we know it. Some are too hot, like being in a pizza oven. These planets are so close to their stars that their surfaces are scorched and inhospitable. Others are too cold, like living in a freezer. These planets are so far from their stars that they are frozen solid, making life impossible. To have life as we know it, a planet needs to be just right. It must have the right conditions, including a suitable atmosphere and the presence of essential elements. We call this perfect zone the habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone. This is the sweet spot where conditions are ideal for life to potentially thrive. It's where the temperature is just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. Liquid water is crucial because it is a key ingredient for life as we understand it. Water is essential for all life on Earth. We drink it, plants need it, even fish need it. Think of it like this. Water is like the battery that powers all living things. Scientists believe that if we find liquid water on an exoplanet, there's a good chance it could have life too. But how do we find these faraway planets? Imagine a firefly buzzing around a bright lamp. It flits and flutters, its tiny body illuminated by the glow. The light is so bright that the firefly almost disappears in its brilliance. It's hard to see the tiny firefly with all that light, right? The brightness overwhelms its small presence, making it nearly invisible to our eyes. But if the firefly flies right in front of the lamp, it makes a small shadow. This shadow is a clue, a sign that something is there, even if we can't see it directly. That's how scientists find exoplanets. They use similar clues to detect planets orbiting distant stars. They look for tiny dips in a star's light, subtle changes that indicate something is passing in front of the star. When a planet passes in front of its star, it blocks a little bit of the star's light. This creates a small but detectable dip in brightness. We call this the transit method. It's a powerful tool that allows us to discover new worlds beyond our solar system. It's like playing hide and seek with the universe, and we're getting really good at finding those hidden planets. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the vast cosmos and our place within it. NASA, the Space Exploration Agency, sent a special telescope called Kepler to find exoplanets. Kepler was like a space detective. It stared at thousands of stars looking for those telltale dips in brightness. Kepler was a superstar. It discovered thousands of exoplanet candidates, some even in the habitable zone. Thanks to Kepler, we know that planets around other stars are more common than we ever imagined. The discovery of so many exoplanets makes you wonder, doesn't it? Is there life out there? Are we alone? Imagine creatures with scales instead of skin, breathing air that smells like cinnamon, living on a planet lit by two suns. We haven't found aliens yet, but the possibility is thrilling. There are billions of stars in our galaxy and billions of galaxies in the universe. That's a lot of places where exoplanets could exist. We are still learning about exoplanets and the possibility of life beyond Earth. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the vast universe. So keep looking up at the stars and let your imagination soar. And don't forget to subscribe to Beat Lab Kids TV for more exciting adventures and discoveries.